If you are ready to install any of the WPO 365 plugins, then you basically have two options. You can visit our website wpo365.com and click the download button for the single sign-on plugin, or if you're interested in the mailing function to send WordPress emails using Microsoft Graph, you can click either button. If I do that, for instance for Microsoft Graph Mailer, then you will see that I can purchase it for free. This will take me to the checkout form. I will be asked to fill out some details, but since the amount is 0, you won't be asked to enter credit card details. But you're basically registered with us, which also means that we can reach you in case if there's an urgent information that we wish to share with you. The other option is, and if I go back to the page where I can basically download it from our website, you also see that there's a small info box that says that you can find this plugin also in the WordPress plugins directory. So that basically means that I can also install the plugin when I simply go to my WordPress backend and I click plugins and I click add a new plugin. And here I can simply search for WPO 365 and this will show me the available downloads. Well, before I said I'd like to install the Microsoft Graph Mailer, so here I can simply click install now. And once the plugin is installed, I only need to activate it. The alternative is that I need to install the single sign-on plugin, in which case I can simply search again for WPO 365. And I would install, in this case, the WordPress plus Microsoft Office 365 Azure AD login plugin. So I click install. And once the files are downloaded and installed on my server, I only need to click and activate it. Interestingly enough, if I would install both the plugins, the Graph Mailer and the login plugin, to enable the users of my WordPress website to sign in with their Microsoft account, then I will see a warning. And that is because the Graph Mailer is already included in the login plugin. With the plugin installed, I am basically ready to continue with its configuration. So I can click the configuration link in the list of plugins, or I can click the WPO 365 link that I find in the WP admin sidebar.